Use the Real-Time Traffic Information (RTTI) for your navigation system in order to avoid traffic holdups and to get to your destination more relaxed. You can book the service RTTI anytime via your active ConnectedDrive profile in the ConnectedDrive Store. When RTTI is booked, it has to be activated in the vehicle. To activate RTTI, go to Navigation, Settings, and check the box Receive Traffic Information. The RTTI symbol appears in the toolbar of the map view. The navigation system locates traffic delays and captures the overall traffic situation on motorways and major urban roads. To check the traffic before or during a trip, go to Navigation, Map, and select the RTTI icon on the left. Now you can see the current traffic information for your route and around your BMW on the central information display. In the menu, Navigation, Settings, Route Settings, Dynamic Guidance, you can activate the Dynamic Route Guidance if you want your navigation system to automatically take into account traffic holdups. You can decide whether your navigation system adapts the route automatically or after your confirmation. Continue watching our How-To series to get the most out of your BMW.